How's it going, everybody? If you operate a food truck business here in Michigan, then this video is for you. Today I wanted to go over some of the basics around the insurance coverages that you might need for your operation, and then also discuss some of the best insurance company options out there for food trucks. Because having the right insurance in place for your business is one of the most important things that you can do. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Brian. I'm an independent insurance agent based here in the state of Michigan, Metro Detroit specifically, and I work with businesses on their commercial insurance programs, as well as helping families and individuals with their personal insurance, their home, their auto insurance as well. My goal with this channel is to pass on a little bit of educational information to you so that you can make more informed decisions around your insurance, and then overall help answer any questions that you might have. So let's get into it, and before we get too far into the video, I do want to invite you to subscribe to the channel, and if you find this video helpful, useful, anything like that, please feel free to like, share, pass it along with anyone else as well. Just like with any business, operating a food truck will come with its risks. You're operating a vehicle, serving food, attending events, and maybe moving between different locations. So your insurance needs can be a little bit unique. But for the most part, some of the basic coverages that you will be looking at, first is going to be your commercial auto insurance. And this will provide coverage for the vehicle itself, whether it is a self-contained food truck all in one, or maybe a trailer that's being pulled by something like a pickup truck. On this policy, you will need to make sure that each item is listed out and covered specifically. You'll also most likely be looking into general liability insurance. This will help protect your business in case somebody gets hurt or sick because of your operation. And if you are doing any sort of public events, whether that be festivals or just operating out of a parking lot of another business, general liability insurance is almost always going to be a required coverage in any sort of business contract. And then on top of those two types of coverages, you might be also considering things like property coverage for all the equipment in inventory, and then also maybe other things like spoilage coverage, equipment breakdown, or business income coverage. And these additional coverages could depend on just how your business operates and what coverages you actually need. Now, as far as when it comes to the best insurance companies here in Michigan for food trucks, one thing to note is that not every insurance carrier is going to be a great fit for every business. Some companies simply won't have the underwriting appetite for food trucks, and then the underwriting guidelines for a company can change over time. So a company that might have been a good fit for your business maybe a year ago might not be a good fit now. But with that being said, there are a lot of great national and regional insurance company options, and these can be great companies to start looking at. On the regional side, companies like Auto Owners, Frankenmuth, and Michigan Insurance Company can be great options. And a lot of times they will have specific coverage package options for food trucks. And on the national side, companies like Progressive, Travelers, the Hartford, Liberty Mutual. These are some of the larger name brands that you might be familiar with that, again, typically will offer insurance options for food trucks. And depending on what your overall business operations look like, one of these companies might be a much better fit than the other. For example, if your business also has restaurant and retail locations, one company could have a lot better pricing and coverage package options than another. And then just looking at your business as a whole, the type of vehicle you have, how many employees, the types of events you're doing, all of these will come into play when determining which insurance company is going to be best for your business. Ultimately, with all of this, you do want to make sure that you are working with an insurance agent that does have experience with food trucks and at the same time has the right company partners that can help underwrite your business properly at a good price and with the right coverage options. So thank you for watching, and if you are a food truck looking for help with your commercial insurance or maybe just your insurance needs in general, I would love the opportunity to work with you and see if our team can help. There are a lot of ways to get a hold of me, and they should all be in the description below. Please feel free to text, call, email, fill out a contact form, whatever's easiest. And if you have any other questions about insurance, please feel free to either reach out directly or leave them in the comments below. I would love to help answer those as well. So thank you again.